Today I'm gonna rate squishies with you. Are you ready? Okay. How squishy they are. This, a bear. I give this guy a 6 out of 10. It's not really as squishy as I thought it would be. Let's put that aside. An avocado. Do you think he's gonna be squishy or not? Let's squish. That's like not squishy. I'll give it a 2 out of 10. Stretchy, 10 out of 10. But this is actually, I give it an 8 out of 10 or a 9. They're really squishy. Good job. You're good. Let's get, this guy's fat. We have this little hippo. That's a 10 out of 10. Good job, hippo. You guys know who this is. Santa Claus. Let's rate him. A 5. 5 out of 10. Seriously? They're bouncy. This is a 10 out of 10 too. We have these bears, panda bears. This one is like a 5, this one's a 7. Good job. Ooh, another hippo. Hippo's fat. That's definitely a 10 out of 10. That's so squishy. This one. It's a different Tyrannosaurus Rex, or is that a Pterodops? I don't know who that is. I don't know how to say dinosaurs. I don't know them. But they are cool. Cat. Very jelly, he has to be made out of jelly. That is a 10 out of 10. Santa Claus is coming. Another Santa. It's different though. It's like a 5 out of 10 because it's very squishy. This donut. Frosting. Good. Yummy. That's definitely 5 out of 10. It's not very squishy. Ooh. A different bear. Way more squishy. Probably an 8 out of 10. Not as squishy as I thought. This is like a 2, but it's so cute. Look how cool it is. So satisfying. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Do you guys see the Jax video and the, which one did I do? It was the computer video. That had so much views, the computer. It was 2 days ago. 1 day ago. The dinosaur. That's definitely a squishy dinosaur. I'll give that a 9 out of 10. Pterodox. Pterodactyl. Squishy. A 5 out of 10. Why is there so much 5s? Aww, I have to give this a 10 out of 10. It's so cute. And it's pretty squishy. Santa Claus is coming. His hat. His boot. The hat's like a 2. This is like a 5. There's a lot of 5s. Oh, look at this doggy. Oh, he's really squishy. Like 11, 12 out of 10. He's so cute, so I have to give him that. Unicorn, blah, blah, blah. 5. Unicorn, 2. Flower, 7. Chick, he is definitely an 8. Oh, he makes a crunching sound. Elephant, 20. He's so cute. Blue ocean, dinosaur, 9. Aw. 5. But it's cute. This bear. Oh, he's squishy, see? I'm really good with fidgets, so yeah. We have this bear. He's a 10. 10, 50. 50 out of 10. 10. Remember the other starfish? So squishy. Look at this heart. Frosting heart. 10. Chickadee, chick, chick. 10. This dinosaur's bumpy. 8. Dinosaur. I mean, elephant. What sound do they make? I don't know. Probably like a 8. Cloud. 1. These squishies are so cute. Let's not rate them. Let's just look at them. How cute. Cute, a 1. Cute, 5. Cute, 2. Cute, 0. Cute, 6. Cute, 10. Cute, 10. Cute, 10. Cute, 5. Cute, 10. Cute, 50 out of 10. Cute, 5. Cute, 5. Cute, 5. Cute, 5. Cute, 5. Cute, 5. Blah, blah, blah. Cute, 0. Squishy though. Let's see if there's any more good ones because we're kind of out of time. This cute guy, bunny, that's like a 5. Snail, 7. 10. 0. Squishy is 0. Cute is 5. Cute, 7. Very. What in the world is this? Ha! A pumpkin. Doesn't have a face. And I think we have a few more minutes when we get the ones that are really good that I want to show you guys. We have this, and that's it. This cute candy cane. Unicorn. Reindeer. Banana. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you subscribe. You can say anything and comment down below. And bye, guys. Make sure you subscribe 1,000 times. Bye.